baby. Okay. Hey beauties, it is me, your favorite girl, Jessica Nicole. And in today's video, I am giving you guys your Valentine's Day look. I know y'all was expecting like the pinks and the purples and the reds, and I said no. I am doing a neutral look with a red lip, and you guys know I do not like wearing red lips, but this looks cute. Anywho, oh, and by the way, I popped some hearts in my inner corner. You don't have to do that. You could just use a pink shadow. But yeah, hope you guys enjoy this look. But before we get into this video, I'm gonna shout out my gang because I bangs with y'all so much. I love y'all so much, and look at me being consistent or whatever. I know y'all like that or whatever, you know. But yeah, hope you guys enjoy this video. Like, comment, share, subscribe. I look so cute. Follow me on all social medias, and I'll see you guys later. So guys, welcome. Let's talk about the elephant in the room. It came to visit because I needed to go, like right now. I do not want to walk around on Valentine's Day this monstrous, hurtful thing on my face, which I'm pretty sure it's going to be gone by then because I'm play that. Yeah. I'm gonna start off with my brows. I'm just going to only outline underneath my brow and carve it out. That is because I'm going to be doing eyeshadow and I like to finish my brows after my face. So to fill my brow, I'm using my micro brow pencil from Morphe in Java. To clean my brows up, I'm using my Loreal infallible full wear concealer, and this is in almond. So for my lid, I'm also using the same concealer as my primer. I hate my job. Alright, so eyes are well primed and ready for eyeshadow. So for today's palette, we're going to be using the Jackie Aina palette. I'm using this palette just because if you wanted to do a colorful Valentine's Day look, you definitely can. If I was to do anything, I'll probably use Pinker and Supreme and then darken it up with a little bit of credit and probably throw something else on the lid. But because I'm doing something more neutral, just because we don't know what we're wearing and we might not wear something that's gonna go with the red or pink looks, we're gonna go neutral. So for the crease, I'm gonna go with edges with my M514 brush and just blend that in my crease. I'm gonna go with my M433 and I'm gonna use a little bit of ginger because these colors are so pigmented. Gotta be careful or it's gonna look a little crazy. And I'm gonna use credit as a transition. Some people like to go transition crease. I go crease transition and then deepen the crease. Just makes me a little more comfortable. So now that those two colors are on, my crease may look very blah, but we're just gonna go ahead and deepen up these colors again. I'm going to go back in with my M514 in edges just to make that crease a lot deeper than before. When I'm blending, I'm going in circular motions and windshield white. I feel like this just blows the color out a lot easier for me. And I'm holding the brush all the way towards the end of the brush. Alright, now we're going to go in with the M506, one of my favorite brushes, and I'm going to go into credit. And credit, I'm going to make sure I deposit most of it on the outside of the eye because you guys know I like a little smoke outside of the eye. And then I'm just going to take the rest and deepen the crease with that. I'm holding the brush in the same position and I'm blending the same way as I said before. Don't worry if the color goes too low because we're going to go back in with some concealer and blank our lid back out. Just gotta, you know. It's like a concealer brush. just to tap on some more concealer and map out my lid. This brush is so damn good. Wow. So yeah, I'm just tapping out my lid area with this little brush. I'm going to use my M546 and I'm going to pick up Soleil on the brush. I'm just going to tap it right where I tapped out my lid. Taking up a little bit of credit on that same M506 and just blending where the shadow and where both shadows meet. I'm gonna take a little bit of credit and just apply right here. Not too much. Right where the outside, edges. I'm gonna tap it right where edges and Soleil and credit meet. Damn, I'm fucking up all the names. Sorry, Jackie. Alright, I'm gonna do something I haven't done in a long time, and that's create a wing. I'm gonna wing out some liner using my Schwing liner from the Balm. So now we're just gonna finish off this eye. I'll let you guys watch while I finish. Alright, so now I'm just cleaning up the outsides of my liner and I'm gonna drag it down so that I don't mess it up when I am putting on my face. Primer, I'm using the Milk Hydro Grit Primer. I love this primer so much. This is exactly why I don't do my brows before my face, because my brows would have been off by now. For foundation, I'm going to use one of my go-tos at the moment, which is the NYX Born to Glow. And as you guys can see, I'm skipping over color correcting. The colors Nutmeg, which is 16.5, and Mahogany, which is number 16. And I just mixed the two of them together with my finger. I always make this either too dark or too light, but for some reason I'm always able to fix it after the fact. So I'm just, rock out. Look at that pimple. Oh my god, and it hurts so much. Like, just putting a foundation over it is just killing me. Alright, so for concealer, I'm going to use Caramel. I'm going to just highlight everywhere. This thing has so much freaking coverage. It's scary. What I'm using to blend out my concealer is the number E20 from Morphe as well. A lot of my brushes are from Morphe. I think most of my brushes are from Morphe. Even my sponges. I don't even want to highlight my chin, but I have to. Ugh, my chin hurts so much. Why would you somebody wish this on me? They had to, because my skin has never had these issues before. Alright, so to set all of my highlighted areas, I'm going to go in with my favorite setting powder right now, which is the Fenty Loose Finishing Powder, and this is in medium. my Big Fat powder brush and my MAC Mineralize Skin Finish in Dark. If you've been watching me for a long time, you know this is my go-to powder. I'm just gonna beat my face up with this brush to set the rest of my face. And I do this so that when I'm putting on bronzer and all my other powders, they won't skip. They'll just melt. And then I'm going to take this little bullet brush, the M536. I'm just going to, as Emery said, tap this into my under eyes because rubbing takes everything away, which is true. So now that my face is basically done, I'm just going to finish filling in my brows. I'm going to go over the top of my brow with Java as well. And for those who always ask why I use two pencils, Mocha is too red for me to fill my brows completely with, and Java is too dark for me to fill my brows completely with. So I use both, and this is how I get my brow. Oh my god! Look what I didn't do. Spray my face. Using my Morphe setting mist. That feels good. Alright guys, just watch me pop my lash on. Alright, so you know I love a dark waterline, so I'm going to use a black liner pencil. This is in Lights Out from Morphe. I'm just going to line that waterline. Anywho, I'm going to go into credit with this little skinny M213 brush and just blend out some of that black liner. Take another brush, or you could use the same brush, it's up to you. I'm just going to take a bigger brush because I want it to be blown out a lot under my eye. I'm going to go into edges and I'm just going to blend out all under there. Alright, so you guys know me. You know I love a good inner corner. So I went to MAC, and MAC had these little holographic heart things that I took from them. I took like a sample, and I'm going to put that in my inner corner. So I'm going to use my lash glue, which is clear, and I'm going to use this little 213 brush. So bronzer time, I'm using my Morphe bronzer, let's say the right name, my Morphe Glamour Bronze Face and Body Bronzer in Phenom. If you don't have this, I don't know where you're going to find it. They discontinued it. I'm so sorry, but should have got it when they had it because this bronzer is life. And it brings so much warmth to my face to where, the hell, I don't feel like I have to wear blush, even though I don't really like blush. So last thing for the face, I'm gonna put on some highlighter. So first I'm putting on Morphe's Meteor highlighter. I think it's, no, matter of fact, this is the only thing I'm gonna wear. I was gonna put something on top, but I feel like this is enough. Alright, so for the lip, I'm gonna do the lip before I change because my lip is difficult. I'm going to use this NYX lip pencil, and this is in Hot Red. Okay. Eyeshadow. So this is the Fenty liquid lip, the Stunner lip paint in Uncensored. To me, the trick to a red lip is lining with a pencil and filling completely in with a pencil. Also, I don't press my lips when doing a red lip because I might mess something up. So I don't press until like my lip's fully done. And I start from the center, so I put everything in the center first and then I go on the outside. Here's your finished look. As I said, you don't have to put the hearts. I just did that for fun. If you want, you can use like a pink shadow from the palette. You can use Wiggly's. You can use Glam. If you want a matte, you can use Supreme, or you could just find a pink shimmer and just pop it in. But I have not worn a red lip in so long that looking at this red lip on me right now, I'm definitely wearing this for Valentine's Day. Anywho, I hope you guys enjoy your Valentine's Day. Even if you spend a Valentine's Day by yourself, baby, do your makeup, grab a bottle of wine, pop in Love Jones, my favorite movie, and watch it. Okay? And enjoy yourself by yourself. And hopefully next Valentine's Day, you'll have a boo thing buying you gifts and taking you on dates. But don't settle. Okay. Anywho, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed this simple glam for Valentine's Day. Okay? Like, comment, share, subscribe, follow me on all social medias. I love you guys so much, and I hope to see you guys in my next video.